You spend your hard-earned money, you repair the fucking weapon, and then what you do is you take it right over here and you throw the son of a bitch right off the fucking cliff, cause I don't give a shit about that! Fuck that! God damn it! Fuck that! Fuck that!
Slytherin!
How the bloody hell are we supposed to do that?
I don't know. I'm sure you'll think of something.
I don't want to be Grabber Goyle. I want to be a girl with massive tits.
What?
Jesus Christ, Harry, you're a bloody genius.
That's disgusting, you pervert!
I've always wanted a vagina. This is my only chance.